Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Tamara and I'm living simple, taking it one day at a time. I'm so happy that you stopped by for a visit today. So this monstrosity, you know, I'm getting weaker in my old age, and so I kind of throwed it out the back door. And so we need to, and then of course it poured down rain last night. So now it's not only on its side, but it is soaking wet. So I'm going to get Wayne to help me get this on the truck and take this over to the recycle center.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Look at the chickens. Cheep, 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 cheep. Oh, the little dogs. Look at the doggies. Do you want to tell the people what happened to you the last time you got on one of those?
No, I don't. Thank you very much.
I'll tell you later.
Yeah.
So I'm going to hang up these clothes here in a minute, but I wanted to show you, this is one of the boxes that we got around here already. And it already has weeds in it. So I don't know what this is called. I mean, it's it's got pretty little white flowers on it, but I think it's just a weed. So I'm gonna try to make this box. This box is going to hopefully be for cucumbers and tomatoes this year, but I might do radishes. Haven't decided yet. So look at this, y'all. Look, 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 it's spring. So a neat story behind those. I didn't plant those there. If y'all remember way back, we did a refresh on the backyard. And when we did, we had boxes planted right here, if you remember, on either side. We have since taken those boxes up because they were deteriorating. And so I just took all the soil and I put it in here, and I also put it over here in there. And those little flowers that I planted in those planter boxes are now coming up all over the place. It's so cute. There's one. There's another one right there. Look, we've got green hydrangeas coming up. And The roses are already starting to do their thing. A lot of green out here, y'all. And then there's that one too. Now this rose bush looks like it died. But the rest of them look like they're doing okay. And there's another one of those little flowers. Them two dogs over there talking to each other. He's like, I can't get out the yard either. It's beautiful out here, y'all. Spring weather. And I love hanging out my clothes on the clothesline when it's nice out. Exhausted, I'm going back to bed. Look at the white on the pear trees. So let's see what we got in the garden that came back to life. So the mint and the rosemary came back. So I just need to trim down this old stuff. And this is the rosemary. We are going to clean up this area. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it just yet, but we're going to clean this area up. And this is our butterfly bush. That seems like she's coming back too. So that's a good thing. There's a lot of weeds in this box, but there's also parsley growing. Can I just tell y'all, I love the smell of rosemary. I just love the smell of rosemary. Now, in this box was lavender. And I don't know if it did. I don't know if it's going to come back, y'all, because it looks like it's... I don't know. I ain't got hope for it. And then, of course, this is my mom's memorial. And you can see that the roses are coming back. So that's awesome. And these are peonies. So, y'all, it is so... I got that rosemary on my hands. It smells so good. So, yeah. That's a mess that tomorrow's going to have to clean up. Not today. But yeah, tomorrow's got to clean that up. It's so pretty out here, y'all. I wish y'all was here. I would give y'all some lemonade and we could sit out here in some lawn chairs and just chit chat. Know what I'm saying? I don't know about y'all, but there is something so satisfying about cleaning up leaves. It's like sweeping the floor. I know. I'm weird, and it's okay. Fat girl break time. So I got 4 of these right here. I got 4 of those filled up. It's spring and I'm still cleaning up leaves. Thank you for living in the forest. But we got the side yard all cleaned up. Now I could have used a lawnmower, but you know, there ain't nothing like good hard work. And honestly, like, I don't even know how anybody needs to use a gym unless you're living in the city. If y'all have a yard like I do, there ain't no reason for you to pay for no gym membership. Just get outside and start picking up sticks and leaves and mowing the grass. And yeah, trust me, you get a workout in. Whew. Y'all, I'm exhausted. So basically we got all the leaves away from the side of the house. Looks pretty good, huh? Not too shabby for a 54-year-old. Sorry about the sun. Let me go. Let's go in the house. Well, y'all, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you so very much for stopping by for another visit. You are welcome here any old time, so come back any old time you'd like to. Oh, I totally almost forgot to tell y'all, Starbucks now has lavender powder that they can put in your coffee. Y'all, I love lavender powder in my coffee. That's right. Starbucks here in Virginia has it. Y'all, it is so good. It is so good, y'all. It is so, so good. But anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah. I want to remind each and every one of us that God, who created us, He loves us so very, very much. And yes, it is true. So does this Virginia country girl. I love you too. Until next time, let's all try to be super kind to one another, okay? And I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye, y'all.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. You're the rose